Choosing AI tools for academic writing requires more than relying on a single platform to handle every aspect of your work. Instead, it's more effective to use a combination of tools, with each one supporting a specific stage of the writing process. A more effective approach is to use a combination of AI tools, with each one supporting a specific stage of the writing process. You don't need to use every tool available, only those that genuinely add value to your research. Some essential AI tools can support you throughout the entire process, from brainstorming and idea generation to outlining, drafting, editing, and refining your work. Together, they help you manage the many tasks involved in producing a well-organized, professional research document. Among the many free AI tools available today, one stands out as particularly powerful and is something we use on a daily basis: Google AI Studio. I've already shared a detailed video on this platform. This video will highlight some of its key features, explore how it is continuously evolving, and show how you can benefit from it at every stage of your academic journey. When you open Google AI Studio, you'll be greeted by its main interface. The homepage offers several options to help you get started. These featured options include Gemini 3 Pro Preview, and from here, you can easily switch between different models. Another available option is Nano Banana Pro, a powerful Gemini AI feature designed to generate images exactly as you envision them, encouraging creative and visually engaging ideas. Through practical examples, I'll demonstrate how this feature can effectively support and enhance your academic writing. You'll also find Gemini Flash and other related tools. By simply clicking, you can explore a range of impressive features. One standout capability is the option to upload multiple files at once, ask focused questions, and even collect, analyze, and write literature while keeping your research paper central to the process. In many free tools, uploads are limited to 2 or 3 files, whereas the paid version allows unlimited uploads and supports writing a complete, focused literature review based on specific research papers. You can also connect your Google Drive, upload all your research articles directly, and ask questions about them. For example, after selecting a paper and inserting it, you can begin interacting with it and extract updated information directly from the document stored in your drive. This eliminates the need to switch between multiple tools or interfaces. You can upload files, analyze documents, and interact with them all in one place. This makes Google AI Studio a highly effective tool for both academic work and YouTube content creation. Another impressive feature is the ability to generate a script or summary of any YouTube video simply by providing the video URL. This functionality is rarely available in other tools, and having it for free in Google AI Studio makes it even more valuable. Screen sharing is another powerful option. You can share your research paper or any document you're working on and use the tool to brainstorm ideas, get suggestions, or overcome moments where you feel stuck. You can also ask Google AI Studio to explain almost anything by uploading a screenshot or recording a short video. While recording, you can prompt the tool to capture the screen, analyze the visual or audio content, and respond precisely to your question based on that recording. Google AI Studio is also highly effective for developing outlines for different types of research documents. To create a research proposal outline, you simply need to include basic details in your prompt, such as the research problem, research questions, methodology, and research gap. The tool can also help you brainstorm research topics, identify different types of research gaps using various criteria, and then assist in formulating research problems, research questions, and appropriate methodologies based on those gaps. When you compare the outputs of Google AI Studio with those of ChatGPT, you'll often find that Google AI Studio provides responses that are more academic, more detailed, and more precise, making it particularly suitable for scholarly work. In addition, you can generate chapter-wise outlines for research papers, review articles, or other academic documents by providing only a few basic details for each chapter. You can specify an approximate word count and ask the tool to suggest how those words should be distributed across headings and subheadings. The result is a structured outline that includes each heading and subheading, recommended word counts, and key points to focus on in every section. This feature significantly simplifies the academic writing process, helps overcome writer's block, and allows you to build the structure and content of your research document in just a few steps. Beyond writing, the tool also supports image generation. By entering the right prompts, you can create images in various styles, such as classic navy suits, modern gray blazers, executive black looks, or medical professional styles. You can download the generated headshots, choose different presets, and even upload your own images for professional use. Additionally, you can upload hand-drawn infographics, flowcharts, or process diagrams and convert them into high-quality 3D visuals while preserving the original labels, layout, and structure. The tool also allows you to generate multiple variations of the same design. Overall, Google AI Studio is an excellent platform for brainstorming, idea development, and creative problem-solving, especially when you feel stuck. It can also be used to develop code, create flowcharts, and design coding processes, which you can then refine further in ChatGPT or other design tools. If you'd like to learn how to create critical diagrams or workflows using ChatGPT, feel free to ask in the comments, and I'll share the relevant video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to share it with friends or colleagues who might benefit. And if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.